What's up, dang gang? It's your boy Dame Dash, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey y'all, did you miss me? Alright y'all, today I have a Deshelled seafood boil drenched in Flavasbydamedash Dippin butter sauce, y'all. I got corn on the cob, egg, potatoes, king crab, shrimp, and I think that's it. All these onions. I'm about to take my first bite, y'all. I'm starving. I love y'all. We have 51,000 subscribers. Yo, this is crazy. First bite. Mmm. 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 Y'all, if y'all not following me on Instagram, head over to my Instagram, Flavasbydamedash. All the updates will be over there. Orders, the first batch of orders was going out Tuesday, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. I'm gonna talk for just 1 minute, huh? Mm. I didn't take the shells off of the shrimp because they shrink, y'all. But all the other Okay. Ugh. Mm. Mm. Yo, this is the coldest water bottle. If you check the description box down below, you can enter the giveaway. You also can use flavors in the description box or the discount code box to get free shipping on any purchase. A lot of people be asking me like, where can I get the water bottle? Everything, all the information is going to always be in the description box, y'all. But the website for the butter sauce is in the description box. Flavasbydamedash.com. My Instagram is in the description box. My Twitter is in the description box. P.O.Box. Everything in the description box. Alright. I feel better now. I had a little food in me. Happy Sunday. I hope y'all having a great Sunday. Y'all, I need to come out with a new schedule to post these videos on the weekend. What's a good time on the weekend to post? Help me out. What's a good time to post in general? Lately I've been posting at 2 o'clock. How y'all feel about 2? Y'all think I should change it? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, baby. This is so bomb. Also, y'all, down below, leave. Let me know what y'all think I should eat next. Rotisserie chicken and a Dippin' Dash butter sauce. Turkey legs and a Dippin' Dash butter sauce. The spicy 2 times chicken wing challenge. Or another seafood boil. Let me know what you think, you know. I hope y'all can see this food. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. You see this? I don't know. Y'all want to give a post notification shout out? I want to give a post notification shout out to Latasia Thomas. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for being a part of the notification game. Check her comment out, y'all. I love you too. Hope you're having a great Sunday. If you want to be a part of the notification game, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel. Comment down below in the comment section. And be one of the first people to comment. It used to be first person to comment. Now all you have to do is comment. I'm about to have it randomly selected. Randomly selected. I'm going to change it up a little bit. So comment down below and I'm going to randomly select the next shout out of the day. I'm not going to pick it myself, but it's an option that I have that I can use. Do y'all like to drink seafood boils like this with everything being like this or in the bowl? Me personally, you can eat it faster like this because it's not hot for sitting in that hot bowl. But then once again, it's not that hot. But one of my family members said that I should try like this, so that's what I'm doing. And the last one I did in the bowl, they said, well, if you lay it flat out, instead of putting it in the bowl, you wouldn't have those problems. I'm about to do a Tasha volcano potato. Get some shrimp. Uh-oh, I ain't ready yet. Hey, what about some new songs that's out? Right now, I'm really loving that Khalid Talk song. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about how it's going. Excuse me, big up boy. I love that song. Oh, or do you want me to do the sing-off? The sing-off challenge. I just seen Sam's World. Her son did it. And he killed it. Beloved had mentioned it on her video. You want to go check them out? They killed it. No, that's so good. It makes no sense. There's not a lot of talking, y'all. I feel like I've been eating for a long time, but I really haven't been. Look at this, all these grilled onions, fresh garlic. Boom, 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 boom. Y'all, I'm getting full. I'm about to get up off. Yeah, I'm about to get up out of here, y'all. My camera's about to die. Everything is so good. I love y'all so much. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what we're doing over here. 51,000, y'all. Probably 52 now. I don't know. I'm close. Alright, y'all. I love y'all, dang gang. Peace.